Let's talk about how AI is disrupting data management because it is. And I think everybody feels that. But an interesting question to ask ourselves is what does AI actually need from data management? And the first thing everyone comes up with is more data. Sure, it needs more data. AI is data hungry. And the more data you feed it, yes, the better it will be, but it has to be the right data. And it's way more than just throwing more data at AI. It's about curating that data. It's about understanding the data and the context and the purpose of it, reviewing the data and whether or not it's fit for purpose so that AI knows what's good data and what's bad data. It's also about connecting that data, joining data sets together, which is a huge pain point for data scientists and analytics users, and joining them together into business data domains, 360s. Realistic training data. AI can be sort of trained and tuned with artificial data and lab data, but then when you get real world anomalies and data structures that are thrown at it, it may not perform so well. So it needs realistic training data in order to be ready for the real world. It also needs a combination of structured and unstructured data. For as long as I've worked in data management, these have been like two different disciplines, and they really can't be. AI needs both of those data sets in order to be trained and to operate against them. And finally, governance. It needs to be extended beyond just data and into unstructured data, but also usage and outcomes, governance of the full process of generating insight.